Dance is one of the main components of each culture. Dance has always been an integral part in the history of Kazakh people. Over the years of independence of the Republic of Kazakhstan, choreographic art has been actively developed in the country. Kazakh National Academy of Choreography was opened before the 25th anniversary of independence of Republic of Kazakhstan by the initiative of Nursultan Nazarbayev. By the decree of the President Altanay Asylmuratova, the People's Artist of Russia, holder of Parasat Award, was assigned as the rector of the Academy. The main objective of the Academy is not only to maintain the dancing culture heritage, but also to give it a powerful development drawing on current trends of world choreographic community. Professors and teachers of the Academy are widely famous high-level professionals in Kazakhstan and abroad. Education system in the Academy of Choreography is based on individual approach for each student. This is the first higher educational institution in Central Asia with a full cycle of multi-stage professional choreographic education, which sets a task of development and establishment of ballet and national choreographic art in Kazakhstan. The main activity of the Academy is training of specialists on the following qualifications: choreographic art, choreography, art directing, art criticism. Currently, the number of Academy students makes 498. The unique educational institution corresponds to all modern requirements of choreographic art. The building complex itself represents its significance. Architectural execution in non-order classical style perfectly fit into the structure of architectural landscape of the left bank of Astana. The total area of buildings is 62,484 square meters, including the Ballet Campus, Residential Campus, Academic Building. The Ballet Campus has 21 ballet halls and medical units. Students from all regions of the Republic of Kazakhstan and abroad, as well as the invited teachers, live in the Residential Campus. The Academic Building includes 38 academic classes, library, dining room and cafe, gym, pool of 250 square meters. The Academy has experience of international cooperation with the leading institutions in the field of choreographic art of France, Italy, Russia, China, Azerbaijan, Belarus, and other countries. Professional development of teachers abroad is carried out both according to the general programs and within the individual group trips for trainings, seminars. The first reporting concert of the Kazakh National Academy of Choreography was held on May 29, 2017.